Guys, since you know that we are working in the field of English language teaching, so we must know that how can we access research articles which are related to ELT particularly and generally related to applied linguistics, right? So in this session, we would just touch upon those resources, those databases from where we can particularly locate research, research articles related to ELT and applied linguistics. The first thing that university libraries are important. You can use them. And there are sections normally in research libraries where you can find research journals, right? A complete one, a specific section is allowed for research journals. And then you can also use interlibrary loans when one library is, in a position to take some sources, some research publications, which are not available with them, but they can, as a loan, take it from other libraries. So that's a facility, and you must know how to use it. Then there are databases like ERIC is there, research for research publications. You can use Google Scholar, and you can also use JSTOR. And there are, libraries like HEC Digital Library, where thousands of books are available, and most of them are updated, they are latest, and they are based on journals. Then there are particular subscriptions, also good libraries of universities. They subscribe to those internationally well-reputed, well-organized publications. And you can also access publications, research publications through those libraries. And you must also know that there are publications in the field of English language teaching in Pakistan. Like there are journals which are run by, for example, the University of Azad Jammu and Kashmir. And the name of the journal which they maintain for so many years is Kashmir Journal of Language Research, right? KJLR. And then there are journals which are also published by like Fatima Jinnah Women University and also by Punjab University. There is one well-known journal, the Journal of Social Sciences and Humanities, which is published by the Department of English University of Peshawar, right? And then Allama Iqbal Open University also publishes journals related to English language teaching, right? I would recommend you to explore, another criteria which is used by HEC, and it is called JCR. And JCR is basically published every year that what journals are basically reported and what journals are having impact factor, right? So you must also try to explore JCR for the current year just by Googling it, and you would come up with the results, JCR, okay? So you can use it, and you can also find ELT-related journals from JSTOR in this Google Scholar, and of course, TESOL, Teaching of English to the Speakers of Other Languages, as an association, also publishes a number of journals. And TESOL Quarterly is a well-known research journal. And then TESOL Arabia, another, well-known organization which works with Arabian countries, Arab-speaking countries, and they maintain a good record of their publications in the field of English language teaching. Further, if you would explore, there are possibilities that you can find a lot of, research publications from the journals of Cambridge University, for example. Like the Cambridge University maintains a journal which is the journal of the IPA, the International Phonetic Association Journal, which is published by Cambridge University. If you just explore this IPA journal, Cambridge, from Google, you would go to the homepage. There are so many resources available on this homepage of IPA. And of course, their research publications are also available. Okay, so these are some of the tips which, as a scholar, as a student of English language teaching, and as a student of social sciences in general, and applied linguistics or ELT in particular, must be known to you, and you must be in a position to use them for answering your research questions, and then also in order to find relevant, information related to your topic.